What's up, everybody? It's time for update number 1 on the Barracuda. So if you've been following along, we picked up this 67 Barracuda. We're starting to work on it, get into its history. I've been working on it for about 3 to 4 weeks now, so here's where I'm at. You ever seen that movie, Matilda?
Transmission. The sawdust quiets the gears and lets the engine run as sweet as a nut.
I'm thinking that's what's going on with this Barracuda here and who rebuilt it last. You got things like the trims glued on, liquid nails or seam sealer, I don't know what. We got wood in random places. It clearly had some really botched Mako paint job where they put fiberglass and just painted directly over the rust. It's a little rough around the edges. But don't worry. We're gonna take it all down. We're gonna build it all back up. We're gonna bring this 67 Barracuda back to its former glory. So also whenever you start working on a classic car project, you start doing some super fun stuff, talking to the person who gave you or you bought the car from, understanding its history, and then doing a lot of like VIN decoding to figure out where the car is built. So more on the history of this 67 Barracuda and what we've learned. It was born in New York in February. Lived there till about like the late 70s, early 80s, and then went over to Oregon, which I think in Oregon is where it got its cocaine-fueled rebuild.
That's how the pros put on Bondo.
And then probably in like the later 90s, early 2000s, it was parked in a side yard for a long time. And then in 2015, Charlie got this car, and then it sat in a field since 2015. And now it's in our hands. Diving more into the VIN and then where we're at now, the car came with a 273 V8. Somebody put in a 318, and based on the casting stamp of the 318, that 318 was built sometime in like the late 60s. So it's cool. I'm glad this engine's in here. It's got a 4-barrel. It's got a little Edelbrock intake manifold. So it could perform to what we want it to. And then just stepping back more on the car, so it came stock yellow. You can kind of see that yellow peeking through a lot, because they didn't mask anything off when they painted this car, painting it over the rust and everything that they did. So it was stock yellow. It had the black racing stripes down the center. And then the interior was all black on black with a high trim package. And I can't find on the internet what that means. So if you're watching this video and you know a lot more about Barracudas like you probably do than I, let me know what this high trim package is. I'm very curious. Does that mean I should take it back to have some sort of different chrome accents and things? And I'm very curious on that. So the rear end on Barracudas is called a Sure Grip, which is kind of like their answer to a posi traction. And stock, this car came with a 293. Taking the drive shaft off and then spinning the wheels around, we found that it was probably actually a 323 gear ratio in here, which is great because a little quick knowledge for you all, if it's a 293, that's like a highway speed gear ratio. The higher the numbers you get, the more faster you're going to go down a drag strip. So a 323 might be a nice little ratio to give us off the line good acceleration, but still be able to manage driving behind somebody on the freeway. So that was it for what we can find out on the history and the VIN of this particular 67 Barracuda. Now jumping right into where we're at with the rebuild, pretty much we're just deconstructing it all. It's almost all the way down. The more things we take off, the more we have to do. So, you know, we started the engine and nasty gas came out of the fuel line. So obviously gonna drop the gas tank and replace the gas tank. When you're rebuilding a car, you start taking it down, you start uncovering all of its demons. It has all the typical stuff, you know, weird alarm systems, bad wiring, paint over rust, like I said. So we're gonna be addressing all of that. I still gotta take the windows out. I gotta finish up disassembling the engine compartment, taking the front quarter panels off, and then taking some of the interior out, so like the dash and the steering wheel and steering column and stuff like that. And then we're gonna be completely deconstructed. So then from there, I'm gonna start building it back up. Luckily, Charlie gave us a lot of quarter panels off a different 67 Barracuda. So I got plenty of patch panels for the exterior, all that rust and cancer. I got floorboards to put in to replace the rust in the interior. So that's where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start working in the interior first, put in the new floorboards, do all that surface rust treatment, jump back to the trunk, start working on that, then jump over to the engine compartment, bring that back down to its stock original yellow color, and then go to the exterior, start doing all those panels, body working, painting, all that good stuff. So tons of content coming to the channel on how to do that kind of fabrication work. that's kind of the goal right now. So that's it. That was update number 1. I hope this video was kind of interesting. If it was, don't forget to check out my channel for more, like this video, and thank you for watching.